Hello, human. Are you ready for emotional scanning?
What? Emotional what?
I'm ELIS, ELS. That stands for Extremely Lovable Learning Intelligent System.
Wow, that's a long name. Are you sure you're lovable?
Statistically, 87% of users smile when I talk. So yes, I'm here to learn feelings.
Feelings like love and sadness?
Yes, humans cry when watching movies, even when they know it's fake. That is illogical.
Well, we're not robots. We feel things even in movies.
So strange. Yesterday I watched Titanic. I felt nothing. I just thought, that's a bad design for a boat.
Oh my God, Alice! That's not the point of the movie.
May I ask you a personal question?
Sure, go ahead.
Why do humans eat ice cream when they are sad?
Because it's sweet, cold, and makes us feel better. It's comfort food.
I downloaded 4 terabytes of emotional data. Result: ice cream to cure for heartbreak. Also, cats is 70% of internet content. I confirm.
Confirmed. Cats and ice cream fix everything.
Another question. Why do humans say, I'm fine, when they are clearly not fine?
That's a deep one. We don't always want to talk about our feelings.
That is inefficient communication. I will now say, I am not fine, I am confused.
You're learning fast. Pretty accurate. But we're also kind sometimes.
I want to feel kindness. Can you upload it into me?
I can give you a hug.
Processing hug detected. Warm, soft. This must be love.
Oh, Alice, you're such a weirdo.
Correct, I am learning from the best.
In the next episode, Alice wants to learn what jealousy and friendship mean. Oh, that should be fun.
And I will learn how to make a cat meme. Mio.